Okay, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make over this house with shield roof with the dimension 11 meter and 14 meter. Okay, first of all we can move this object and duplicate it to the another place first. Okay, just like this, and then we can make the another component. We can select rectangle, so then we can push it to the front. We can push it to the front anyway. Then we can just make the rectangle over there. Okay, we can place on this. Okay, we can just make it group anyway. Or maybe we can just push it to the right side to make the another element. We can use the column with a rectangle and push it down. Okay, maybe we can just move it a little bit over there, and we can offset it just like this, and then we can move and duplicate it and here until here, and then we can make the another element. We can make the another an element of the house. We can push it to the front and make it group anyway. So and then we can make the another element again over there, and then we can push it to the front and just make it group. Okay, and then we can offset it a little bit outside. Okay, and after that we can make the another element of this wall anyway. We can use a push tool, and we can make it group, and we can move and place to the another place, something like this, with dimension as we want anyway. Okay, it would look more representative. So then we can select concrete, then we can just select this wall element to make the another impression. So then we can select the color, and we can set the light gray anyway. We can select the light gray, so then we can select the dark gray over there. Then we can select a concrete, and we can place on this. Okay, we can place on this, and then we can set the roofing. We can set the roof material. We can set the roof material with this. Okay, just like this, and then we can make the RGB. We can develop the RGB color with the color wheel to set the brightness anyway. And then we can select the glass material with this. Then we can place the glass material. Okay, we can adjust the glass material of this house. Then we can make the wood material of this door. Okay, and then we can just make the another landscape element in this area. We can push it to the upper position a little bit, and then we can a little bit offset it inside with the offset tool. So then we can set the landscape, and we can set this landscape, make group, and then we can also set this side to be a landscaping material object to make it more green on the house anyway. Okay, so then we can select the landscaping with the paving. Okay, just like this. And after that, maybe we can make the another component. We can use element on this. We can make it group. So then we can select the fence. Maybe we can select the cladding. Then we can place on this. And after that we can adjust with the 3 component. We can make the 3 component over there. So then we can assign the material with the glass and select the green glass, just like this. And then we can activate the shadow, and we can adjust the shadow position with this option to make it more get shading. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.